Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 6.4 question number 8. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remains the same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Let us solve this problem. First of all, let us find the square root of 1000. The number is 1000. 1, 0, 0, 0. Put the bars here. 0, 0, 10. Now you did by 3. 3 3 is a 9. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Double the quotient. 3 2 is 6. If we put 1, this 0 0 will come. If we put 1, 31, 61, that is equal to 61. When we subtract this one will get 9 minus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 3. That is 39. Right? Here you see the next number 32 here. The next number of 31. The next number of 31 is 32. Therefore, 32 square is equal to, find the 32 square, that is 32 into 32. That is, we are getting 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Let me write as 4, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, 9 1 10, 1 0 2 4 is equal to 1 0 2 4. Therefore the minimum number number of plants, minimum number of plants he needs more is equal to 1024 minus 1000 is equal to 24. That is the answer. Right? And here you see the square root of 1024. The square root of 1024 is equal to square root of 32 square. 32 square is equal to 32. Therefore, the number of rows and number of columns will be 32. Therefore, we can say that the number of rows, and columns, is 32. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.